Mayong buntag kaniyong tanan mga higala ko mga kaigsunan, mga karuftam. Dalay ko ng Dios nga siya nag uban kanato hangtod nining takna mga higala. Karon natong location nata karon dinhi sa Mount Nebo, which is kini nga place mo ni pinaka highest mountain sa Jordan territory. I think Jordan is the Islamic country. Yeah. According to the Bible, Moses was here and he was just looking, being shown to him by God, only by looking din he sa Mount Nebo ang promised land, but he was not allowed to cross or to be there in the land of promise. Only Joshua and Caleb, according to the history, being there, being allowed by God to be there. Okay, and the violation of Moses, the reason why he was not allowed to go Mount Nebo, to go to the promised land, the land of promise, it was because of his violation, or God was upset because of his action while he was yang gi-struck niya ang bato. Supposedly he was going to speak in order for him, in order that the stone will give water for them to drink. Okay, so muna si mga kraftam ang story behind of this great biblical history of this mountain, Mount Nebo. Sorry. Okay. So Mount Nebo. Mount Nebo. Grabe na location sa Mount Nebo, mga crafter. Yung sa pagkaan kini nga monastery pagtukod. Okay, ako karon nagatindog diri sa top view, sa rooftop, hilltop of Mount Nebo, rooftop. Okay. Uy, naku, ani nga bato eh. Silang ginakalot ni siya. Hindi na pati nag-abot. So, Faisalian as for Abubad. Dako ani bato eh. Sa nila pagano. Yeah, bakit? Alam mo natin. Kadang-kadang picture na ako mga karooftop. Okay. By this time, bye-bye muna. God bless everyone.